Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid engine or even non-hybrid engine, guys, and you want to know where the catalytic converter is located in case you need to replace it. We'll explain what needs to be done. Make sure you stay until then and we'll cover all that as we go. And if you buy a replacement catalytic converter, make sure if you live in California, you guys actually meet the emission requirements, because some catalytic converters that are aftermarket, they can be only for 48 states emission standards and not the 50 states emission standards. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead. I want to open here. Now we have, guys, a hybrid engine here that has been used in all these 3 vehicles. The non-hybrid version will be if you have the 2.0 or 2.5 engine. You can see that's what it looks like. Hybrid or non-hybrid, the engine is almost the same, guys. Even the catalytic converters are very similar location, just the part numbers will be different, but the location will be about the same. Here on this side is the electrical components, inverters, transmission, electric motors, things like that. But if you come right here now, okay, let me show you now. You come right there, and that's your engine underneath, guys. That's the engine. Transmission that started leaking a little bit of oil. We need to address that issue, but unfortunately from what I see, it's between the 2 components here, so like the transmission needs to be taken apart to fix that. And if you come right here, guys, that's your exhaust system right above the passenger side CV axle right there. That's the exhaust, guys, and that thing right there, this is your catalytic converter. This is the exhaust manifold catalytic converter here, guys, and then you have the flex pipe there, and then you have another catalytic converter right there. That's the second one, but the most important one here, okay, is that catalytic converter, because you will actually have an oxygen sensor, okay, right there. That oxygen sensor, that's known as a downstream oxygen sensor, the purpose of which is to detect if that catalytic converter is doing its job practically. If you need to replace it, guys, you will need to go ahead and remove, okay, disconnect it from right there, most likely where the 2 bolts are, okay, because here you have the flex pipe. Then from here you have 2 bolts, and you will need to remove the exhaust manifold, okay, all the way from the cylinder head. It comes with the exhaust manifold in order to replace it. It's a little bit of a complicated design, limited room. It won't be easy, okay, but it's doable, guys. You will need to remove quite a few accessories to be able to do that. If it's the rear one, you practically the easiest thing is to get a new one, and either a new exhaust system, or from there you disconnect it and they cut it right before the muffler, and they install well, the new catalytic converter, which is pretty easy. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.